Hey, it's Marko, and today I'm going to show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. Now, before you start with the video, please subscribe and like this video, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram, go to your profile, click on the top right, then click on settings and privacy, and then we need to tap on account. And you want to make sure that your account is not under private, so under here, and another you can turn on professional account. Basically, if you switch to a professional account, you will even get insight of how your posts are performing. And the other way, if you just post something to your story, so for example, let's post this. Once somebody has viewed it, you will see like an eye icon at the bottom left, and from there you will be able to see who has viewed your story, and potentially that way they also saw your profile. And that's it. If you still having troubles